Power BI users often wonder, should I use a slicer or a filter? While both help refine data, they work differently. In this video, we'll break down their differences and when to use each. Let's dive in. What is a slicer? Slicers are interactive visual elements that let users filter data right on the report page. Key features. Number 1. Provides interactive filtering within the report. Number 2. Supports single or multiple selections. Number 3. Available as drop-downs, lists, and hierarchical filters. Number 4. Affects only selected visuals unless explicitly synced. When should you use a slicer? First, when users need a visible, interactive filtering mechanism. Second, when you want quick toggling between values. Third, when creating mobile-friendly reports. What is a filter? Filters work in the background, refining data without being directly visible. Key features. Number 1, operates in the background. Number 2, can be applied at visual, page, or report levels. Number 3, supports advanced filtering conditions. Example, top-N measure-based filtering. Number 4, works without user interaction. When should you use a filter? First, when you need consistent filtering across pages. Second, when you require complex conditions like top-N or date-based filters. Third, when you want to hide filtering logic from users. Slicer versus filter. Which one should you use? Use slicers when you need user interaction and filters when you need control behind the scenes. Now that you know the difference, which one do you use the most? Slicers or filters? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI insights. If you want to learn Power BI from me, click the link in the description.